Find the square root of 15. To find the square root by long division method, for that first we should frame it in this way. See, that is 15. Okay, next. Now here we have 15. 15 is not a perfect square. So now we should check 15 lies between which two perfect square numbers. And the perfect square numbers are these. That is 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, and so on. These numbers are called perfect squares. Here we have 15. 15 lies between these two numbers. So we should take the smaller number, that is 9. 9 is for 3 3's 9. So we take 3 here and 9 here. Now you subtract. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now here we should add these two numbers and write. So 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, next. Now we should write a number here. But when I write a number here, then this number will be smaller than this. So what we used to do in normal division, we used to put a dot and take 0 here. But over here we should take 2 zeros. In finding square root, we take 2 zeros. Remember that. Next. Now here I should write a number. Condition is whatever number I write here, here also I should write the same number. And also, when you multiply this number and this number, then the resulting number should be either equal to this or smaller than this, but not larger than this. So let us find the number here. So if I take 5, that is 65, I should also multiply by 5. These two numbers should be same. So 5 into 5, 25. So 5, 2. 5 into 6, 30 plus 2, 32. So this is far from 600. So what if we take 8? 68 into 8. 8 into 8, 64. 4, 6. 8 into 6, 48. Plus 6, 54. So we got 544. What if we take 9? 9 into 9, 81. 1, 8. 9 into 6, 54 plus 8, 62. So this is exceeding 600, so we take 544. This is for the number 8. So you take 8 here, 544 here. Now you subtract. Here 5, here 9, here 10. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. And here we should add these two numbers and write. 68 plus 8 is 76. Okay, next. Now here we should write a number. Now when I write the number here, then this number will be smaller than this. We already have a decimal, so you directly take 2 zeros. Okay. Now I should write a number here. Condition is whatever number I write here, here also I should write the same number. And also, when you multiply this number and this number, then the resulting number should be either equal to this or smaller than this, but not larger than this. So let us find the number here. Here it is 700, here 5600. If we take 7, that is 767, we should also multiply by 7. These two should be same. So 7 into 7, 49, 9, 4. 7 into 6, 42, plus 4, 46, 6, 4. 7 sevens, 49, plus 4, 53. What if we take 8? 7, 6, 8 into 8. 8 into 8, 64, 4, 6. 8, 6, 48, plus 6, 54, 4, 5. 8 sevens, 56, plus 5, 61. So this is exceeding this. So we should take this number for 7. So you take 7 here, and here 5, 3, 6, 9. Now you subtract. So here it is 5, 9, 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. And here we should add these two numbers and write 767 plus 7. You get 774. Okay, 767 plus 7 is this. Next, now I should write a number here. Now when I write the number here, then this number will be smaller than this. Decimal is already present. So you directly take 2 zeros. In finding square root, we should take 2 zeros, not 1 0. Okay. Now here I should write a number. Condition is whatever number I write here, here also I should write the same number. And also when you multiply this number and this number, the resulting number should be either equal to this or smaller than this, but not larger than this. Okay. So let us find the number here. Here it is 7,000, here it is 23,000. So if we take 3 here, 7743, we should also multiply by 3. These two numbers have to be same. So 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. So 2, 1. 3 sevens, 21, plus 1, 22. So 2, 2. 3 sevens, 21, plus 2, 23. Yes, this is exceeding this. So we should take 2. 7742 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 fours, 8. 2 sevens, 14. So 4, 1. 2 sevens, 14 plus 1, 15. 3 is exceeding, so we should take 2 itself. So you take 2 here, and here 1, 5, 4, 8, 4. Now you subtract and it goes on. It is enough if we find up to 3 decimal places. And the square root of 15 is this number, that is 3.872, and it goes on. So this is our answer. Am I clear?